What's up, YouTube? Caleb Bryan back at you with another video. And in this video, guess what? I made $1 million! Woo! Alright, so from the title of this video, no, I have not made $1 million yet, but guess what? I will. One day, I will. And I made this video because I want you to see it, and I also want you to understand and realize that you can be a millionaire also. I'm going to be a millionaire and you can be also. I already believe it. And the main goal on this video is your mindset is the most important resource or most important ingredient into you making $1 million, into me making $1 million, right? Even if you don't understand, I know it sounds cliche. I know that it sounds like this video's clickbait. To a certain extent, it is clickbait. To a certain extent, it is. But this whole video's purpose is to get you to understand that making your first dollar online and making your first $1 million online with affiliate marketing all begins and starts with your mind, your attitude, and your whole willpower and your why. Why do you want to make money online? What makes you make YouTube videos every day? What makes you want to get up out of the bed and work harder on your online business, on your affiliate marketing business, on your drop shipping business? What is it that makes you want to quit your 9-to-5 job and make passive income, right? You need to have a clear why that makes you get up in the morning, makes you tick, that stirs up emotions, right? That's the first thing you need to in your mind. You need to have in your mind a set why. Why do I do this, right? Also, you need to have the mentality of a millionaire. A millionaire's mindset, right, is one that has faith, right? One that believes they're going to make the $1 million, one that has faith and knows they deserve the $1 million, and one that's not afraid to step out on faith, and one that's not afraid to invest in themselves to become a person worthy of $1 million. Guys, people talk about the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind is very important. The subconscious mind is basically like made and built on what we think, what we constantly say to ourselves, what we constantly surround ourselves with, what we constantly think about, right? What we constantly see. That is how our subconscious mind is planted, or subconscious mind is built, right? And even though we don't know that it's like messed up to where it has gotten us to the place where we're working 9-to-5 jobs, working as like modern day slaves, we have to recondition our subconscious mind to say, oh, I can be a millionaire without a 9-to-5 job. Oh, I can, create free content or content on YouTube in front of a video, even if I'm scared to do so. I will be successful at this, that, and the other. I will leap and take faith actions and take massive action with starting my affiliate marketing business, or starting my online business to have passive income, right? Having that mindset and that faith is a big step towards making your $1 million online with affiliate marketing or whatever you're using, right? So number one, we have to have a strong why. Why am I doing this business, and why do I want to be a millionaire, right? And then number two, we have to have the mindset of, yes, I can do it, I deserve it, it's going to come to me. The mindset and the faith is going to come to me. I'm going to continue to take massive action, right? Without those two steps, you won't even begin to make $1 million online, right? No matter what it is, you can't even make $1 million. You probably won't even make $1 if you don't have that mindset of, I can do it, I deserve it, and I'm going to continue to do it with my faith no matter what, right? So those two points right there about your mindset and your attitude is key about making your first $1 million online, right? And it's key for me too. I've established my why. I've established and have the belief that I'm going to be a millionaire, and I'm going to take massive action to do so. So the massive action takes me to my third point, right? You have to take massive action. No matter how many courses you enroll in or buy, free or paid, no matter how many courses you take, no matter how many YouTube videos you look at, no matter how many blogs you search, you have to take action. Like in this video, I have a free affiliate marketing step-by-step guide that you can use today. It's free. It's like a free PDF step-by-step. You can go to the link down right now and download it right now for free, but it's up to you to take massive action. If you don't take massive action, you can't get results, right? You cannot be that a millionaire. And the same thing for me. I have gone through course after course after course, and what I noticed was I wasn't taking massive action. I will begin the course, I will begin like headstrong, hit the ground running, bam, and then all of a sudden hit a brick wall and stop the course, or stop, continually going through the course and implementing the strategies that I was learning, and then my results failed. It wasn't until I found one course and stuck to that course that I came up with a good strategy, came up with a good plan, and I stuck to it, and now I'm seeing some results, right? So you have to do that. You have to take massive action in the course that you have, and then you also have to tune out all the other courses, because there's a lot of information and a lot of crap, also good crap, if that's a term, that's out there in the market space, right? So you have to be able to decipher and discern the good from the bad, right? But once you find that good one, stick to it and take massive action, okay? So yes, I am a millionaire. I made $1 million with affiliate marketing. That is me speaking it into existence, so that is planted in my subconscious mind, and then what's in my subconscious mind will eventually, with consistency and massive action, manifest itself in the physical. I know it sounds cliche, I know it sounds like bullshit, but I'm telling you, it is true, it is real, and you need to start this mindset change today, okay? Make your $1 million online today. Like I said earlier, I have a free step-by-step affiliate marketing guide in the link in the description below. That is the first link. I also have my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income online, so check that out too, guys. There's massive resources in my description below. You can take action. Like I said earlier, you have to take action. If you don't, you cannot get results. Stop whining. Stop, being the victim. Stop saying, oh, everything's a scam. No. Have faith. Take action. Do it. If it fails, go to the next and keep going. Keep going. Only time you fail is when you stop reaching for your goals. I heard from Earl Nightingale, success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal, right? You have the idea, you have the goal of making $1 million one day. You have to consistently, without giving up, trying to reach that goal until you make it. And once you stop trying to reach that goal, you are not successful. You are failing. I don't care if you know what you've done. If you have stopped trying to reach that goal, you are a failure. Just point blank. I'm just leaving it out there right now, guys. Okay. So I just made that video just to give you some kind of motivation and to kind of stir you up, saying like, this is possible. It is possible to make money online with affiliate marketing or with any kind of strategy you want to use. It's possible, but you have to have the right mindset. You have to have that millionaire mindset, and you have to have faith and believe that you can receive $1 million and be worthy of $1 million, because you are worthy of it, and you're going to get it, okay? And so am I. I'm worthy of it, and it's coming my way, right? So keep telling yourself that day by day, and keep taking massive action each day. You should do something that gets you closer to your $1 million goal. Whether it's online, whether it's, even if it's a 9-to-5 job, you can do that. But trust me, millionaires don't become millionaires with a 9-to-5 job. They have multiple streams of income, right? And the free guide below and the #1 recommendation for making full-time income that I have below, they teach you how to get multiple streams of income and how to be successful in affiliate marketing, right? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it got you stirred up. If it did, like this video, thumbs up, right? And subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment, guys, okay? Again, check the links out in the description and subscribe to this channel, guys, okay? Thanks for watching. Peace.